Welcome, and I'll be doing one round of Surya Namaskar. From hands in Namaste, you will slowly take a backward bend. Exhaling, keeping your back straight, you bend forward. Inhaling, stretch your right leg at the back into Sanchalanasana. Exhaling, come into the plank. Slowly drop your body down, and inhaling, you will again go for a backward bend. Exhaling, push yourself into the downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg comes in. As you exhale, the other leg comes in. Inhaling, you come back and stretch completely. Exhaling, you bend forward. This time you will take your left leg at the back. Look in the front. Exhaling, you will take your right leg at the back and come into the plank. Dropping your body down from Chaturanga into Sarpasana, you will take a backward bend. Exhaling, downward facing dog again. Inhale, take your left leg ahead, and as you exhale, right leg ahead. From the forward fold, you will take a backward bend, and exhaling, bring your hands in Namaste. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.